Hey everybody, this is Jill, and I'm with the SSW rules team. We're gonna talk about the sprint review 102. Let's move to the sprint review email. So our
Can you
sprint
bump
goal.
up the font bigger?
Yeah, so sure. Sorry. Is that right?
Yes, and can you press dismiss on the signature for a little bit of extra screen real estate?
Yeah, that's a beautiful font. All good? Okay. So our sprint goals were to fix the markdown issue of our SSW's POC, and also make Jake test the migration scripts, the F5 experience, and the whole POC website. Most of the PBIs and goals were done. The testing went fine, and the markdown issues are almost all done. There's still one in progress. But we're going to talk about this one later. It was a 1 week sprint with 6.5 man days. Hugo and I were 2 days busy with Scrum certification, and Hugo is busy on the spec review since yesterday. If you want to have a look at the POC Vercel environment, you can click on that link over there. And let's have a look at the sprint backlog here. So as you can see, there is a lot of dones. We fixed a lot of bugs, and as I said during the sprint goals, most of the markdown issues has been done as well. Let's talk about the most important one, the testing the app PBI, and that's this one. So Jake had to test the F5 experience, the branching system, and navigation, Algoria, the admin mode, etc. Everything is written on the PBI, and everything has been done. He raised 2 issues about Algoria search that we're going to push for, not for the next sprint, but for the sprint after, because it's not an important bug. But apart from that, everything went fine. So that's cool. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Because Jake is not there, I will respond on his name. And let's talk about that markdown issue there. Basically, oh, sorry, the wrong tab. Over there, we Markdown has a problem with the list in code block. So I tested out on different scenario, and now everything is working fine. If you want more information, just go on the PBI and we'll have some screenshots explaining everything. Right. And another important one was about the image embedding issue, also a markdown problem. And Chloe tackled that PBI very well. Maybe you want to talk about this one too?
Yeah. So Tina CMS does support the syntax for embedding image, but we do find some issues that in our migration script, we didn't add the public folder prefix to those images. So this image were broken on our website. So we fixed this, and as well as other render issues. So from this screenshot, you can see now this embedded image are displaying properly.
So is this fixed in the script or in did you manually fix it?
I fixed the script, yeah.
Oh, in the script.
Yes,
okay.
and then I regenerate all the MDX files.
Okay, yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
When did you realize this was broken? Did you realize this was broken as soon as you ran the last migration, or did you find it during testing?
I found it during testing.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you running code auditor on the rules site before, on the current rules, and then running it again after you've migrated it?
I didn't think about code auditor.
Okay.
Yeah,
Could you
Maybe we
talk
can
to
try it.
Diego and do that and see if code auditor, because obviously it would find a whole bunch of extra broken links, which would indicate to you straight away there's a problem, and there might be other problems.
All right. Yeah,
I
Jeff
think
is taking note
yeah,
about
just
that.
do that on the Azure part. So create a PBI for that. We don't want to do it on Vercel. That's just going to be double the work.
Okay,
Mhm.
yeah. Can you note that as well, Geoffrey?
What?
Create a PBI about
What?
about what we said, your code auditor.
Oh, just
and
ask
Azure.
Chicago to do it.
Yeah, but he wants a PBI. So just to remind the for me. Thank you. All right, and as I said, the rest was fixing bugs. Do you have any question about this backlog? All good. Let's have a look at the Power BI table. Only Jake Bliss managed to do the timesheets. We still have we don't have our timesheets working yet. About the release, no release currently because we are still working on the POC. About AI usage, I added Jake that worked with Cursor and ChatGPT. For the rest, it's the same. About Copilot summaries, I will add it later on. And
There was no experimental work, R&D. Because we're going to put something there if you can.
I don't really see what we can add.
Go back to the list of PBI just. Because we're going to add at least something in there. Azure, maybe did you do some work
No.
on that? No.
No, we didn't.
Architecture.
No, it's documentation.
Did you do some research for the bug you fixed, Chloe? The one about the image, public image thing?
No, that's not really a R&D thing.
All right.
Yeah.
Is it okay to leave the R&D section empty this week, Adam? Because it feels like there was no R&D stuff done. Or do we need
All
something?
of this is actually R&D, the whole POC, because
okay, right.
Yeah.
You can just have this there then. Okay. Building a POC or something.
Yeah.
In the
yeah,
R&D
building a
section.
POC on different environments to see whether it will work.
Yeah. Yeah, good point, Gert. Thank you. No need to say is R&D. Oh, yeah, okay. So,
Happy with that?
I mean, it's R&D section, so you don't say is R&D because it's already in the R&D section.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Let's do it like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can get rid of that. Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
About the sprint result. So what went well? Gilles and Chloe and I were happy. A lot of done. Testing the app went well. Chloe is happy that we got solution for the author in the front matter. We are using GitHub API for that now. And Chloe fixed many renders issue. Gert is happy that we are at a point where we can deploy it on Azure. This will be our next sprint goal. Spoiler alerts. And what did not go so well? Jake has left the team very quickly. Jake raised that the PBI he was working on wasn't well defined, and it's my mistake. I didn't get the time to write it well before starting my Scrum certification, but I fixed that. Jake.
Sorry, where is, you said Jake has left the team. What do you mean?
He's on client work now.
Oh, is he? For how long?
He's on client work and then on leave and then on client work again. All adds up to about a month.
Oh, I see. Okay. Got it.
Yes. And
can you put that in brackets, Jill? Left the team quickly in brackets on client work.
Yeah.
So you know he's coming back.
sorry, I didn't get the end.
Yeah, no, that's fine. On client work is fine. Just
Okay.
It gives more context.
Yeah. Okay, sure. And the last point from Gert, both Jake and Ada and Hugo had unplanned client work. Anything else, guys? Do you want to add something? Nope.
No, all good.
All good? Okay, let's move on to the sprint forecast. Yep.
We're going to these things at the top.
Yep.
Yeah.
So as I mentioned on the previous section, our next sprint goals is to deploy the POC on Azure environment. It's going to be almost 10 man days sprint. It's 1 week. Yeah. And most of the backlog is Azure related over there. We're going to finish the 2 remaining PBIs from the last sprint and move on to Azure.
Can you bold the important one, which I
Yeah.
guess is one of those?
All of them.
All of them? Okay.
All of them. Yeah. Are important. Yeah. Good points.
Yeah.
Right. Do you have question, Adam?
No, all good.
All good? Anything else, guys? Yeah.
Attendees, I would remove John and Hugo because they weren't there.
Yeah. I need to fix that. I wanted to.
Oh, you're right. You can do it after. But
Yeah, I can do
just
it.
make me not forget.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
No, good then.
Okay, put to do there. You're right.
All good then.
All good. All right. Thanks for joining that sprint review. As always, this video of that review will be uploaded on the SSW Rules YouTube channel. Thanks, everybody, and we will see you on the next sprint. Bye.
Well, thanks, Bill.
Thank you.
Yeah.
See you.